Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another Vlogmas video. So in today's video, I am doing a wash day after a protective style, and it kind of also coincides with my winter wash day routine. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. So I'm starting off by rinsing my hair out. I put the African Pride Pre-Shampoo in my hair. I love using that Pre-Shampoo just because it makes it so much easier for me to detangle my hair, and my hair needed a lot of detangling because my hair had been in braids for almost 2 months, so it was definitely time for my hair to get some much needed TLC. So first, I'm going in with my Miracle Repair X Strengthening Shampoo from TGIN. And y'all, I absolutely love this shampoo. It does what it's supposed to do, okay? I love that it gets so sudsy as soon as I put it on my hair, and it always leaves my hair feeling really clean, and I needed it because, like I said, my hair was in braids for 2 months, almost 2 months, and my scalp and my hair needed a deep clean. One of the things that I really love about this shampoo is that it cleans hair gently and effectively, leaves hair feeling smooth and soft, and promotes hair growth and length retention. And my hair has definitely grown a lot since I started using the Miracle Repair X line a few months ago. Now it's time to rinse out my hair, and y'all, every time I use this shampoo and I rinse my hair out, it leaves my hair feeling so good. It doesn't dry my hair out, and I absolutely love the way my hair feels. It feels so clean, and honestly, my hair needed it because my scalp, y'all, was going through it. Next, I'm going in with the Miracle Repair X Strengthening Conditioner from TGIN, and this is actually my first time using this conditioner. I purchased it on Black Friday. I'll link my Black Friday haul above so you all can see what else I got from TGIN, but it's my first time using it, and I have to say it was definitely interesting. It's not like the other conditioners that I've used before, but I did, try to finger detangle my hair as I was putting the conditioner in. And one of the things to know after washing your hair or washing your hair after a protective style is that there may be some shedding because your hair hasn't been detangled in depending on how long you've had your, protective style in. And it's also possible that sometimes, there's parts of your hair that didn't get fully detangled during the pre-shampoo and shampoo process. So it's okay to make sure that you gently pull your hair apart so that way you don't end up breaking your hair off. And now I'm just twisting my hair so that way it stays detangled while I continue conditioning the rest of my head. One of the things that I read and liked about this conditioner is that it helps prevent split ends and reduce breakage, and I think that's so important when detangling your hair after a protective style. Now it's time for me to rinse out this conditioner, and I have to say I'd probably give it like a 6 out of 10. I feel like maybe it was just, I don't know, maybe I just need to give it another try, but it didn't really do too much as far as like replenishing the moisture in my hair. And I typically like conditioners that are able to add some, moisture back in my hair, especially since my hair is in a protective style for a while. Before I get ready to deep condition my hair, I do like to just do another rinse through just to make sure that I've rinsed out all of the product and get ready to do my deep conditioner. And for my deep conditioner, I am using the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula with Vitamin E Moisture Boost Deep Conditioner. And I actually received this in one of my curl boxes, and it's my first time using this deep conditioner. I have used the other deep conditioner from their other moisture retention line, and I really liked it. So I decided to try out this deep conditioner. And I will say it definitely made it a lot easier for me to kind of start finger detangling my hair. Whenever I do deep conditioning, I don't use a comb. I like using my fingers. And once I rub the deep conditioner into my hair, I make sure to twist it so it stays detangled while I deep condition the rest of my hair. When deep conditioning your hair, you want to make sure that you're adding the deep conditioner to all parts of your hair. So I try to kind of split the sections even into more sections so that way I can add a deep conditioner in all of my strands. And one of the things that this deep conditioner is supposed to do is detangle and lock in moisture for ideal styling, increase resilience, shine, and manageability, and improve hair and scalp health after each use. So I left this deep conditioner on for 5 minutes, which is what the direction says, and now it is time for me to go ahead and rinse out this deep conditioner. And I will definitely say this deep conditioner did what it's supposed to do. It definitely left my hair feeling a lot more moisturized and definitely easier to detangle. I would say I probably like the moisture retention deep conditioner more than I like this one. I feel like this is perfect for after, my hair has been in a protective style, but I probably wouldn't use this one as often as I would the moisture retention deep conditioner. So this is my hair after shampooing, conditioner, and deep conditioning, and it definitely looks so much better now that it's gotten some TLC. And y'all, I'm happy because my hair needed some love. And now I'm gonna go ahead and section it off into 4 sections so that way I can go ahead and get my hair ready for the leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with the Miracle Repair X Protective Leave-In Conditioner from TGIN, and y'all, I talk about this leave-in conditioner all the time. It literally melts into my hair. I will forever be a stan for this leave-in conditioner, and my hair absolutely loves it, so it will always be in my hair care regimen. One of the things that I love about this leave-in conditioner is that it replenishes my hair's natural oils, and it helps prevent split ends and reduce breakage, and it also leaves hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable. And that's something that I definitely need after having my hair in a protective style. Now my hair is completely done, and I just love how this leave conditioner leaves my hair feeling, and my hair is ready for some styling. Thank you all for watching this video. Definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I definitely have a styling video coming up for you all. Until next time, bye!